Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You will start right now. Leave a 6 to 8 inch tail on the new yarn and bring it to the front because purling needs the yarn in front. Hold the old working yarn behind the new tail so tension stays steady. Make sure you grasp both with your index finger. Insert the right-hand needle into the next stitch as for a purl. Once done, you're set to wrap the new yarn and complete the joining purl. Now wrap the new yarn around the right needle exactly as you would for a regular purl. Do not let the tail be wrapped into the working loop. Draw that loop through the stitch so the new strand becomes the working yarn. At the same time, let the old yarn and the new yarn cross snugly at the base of the stitch so they interlock. Then purl the stitch using both strands briefly to lock the join. This prevents holes and keeps gauge consistent. Finish by sliding the join stitch toward the left needle and gently tensioning the new and old yarn so the fabric lies smooth. Do not pull tight because that will pucker the work. Weave both tails into the wrong side across 3 to 4 inches following the fabric's grain. A darning needle keeps them secure. If a small gap appears, don't panic. Use a crochet hook to pick up the little horizontal bar behind the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.